I'm Steve Ember with the VOA Special English Development Report. The World Health Organization says 57 nations in Southern Africa and Southeast Asia are facing a serious shortage of healthcare workers. This crisis is affecting how governments fight diseases and improve health. The WHO says more than 4 million additional doctors, nurses, and other health workers are urgently needed to improve the situation. The warning came in a new WHO report released on April 7th, World Health Day. The report says the health care crisis is most severe in southern Africa. The continent has 11% of the world's population, but only 3% of the world's healthcare workers. The report warns that the ability of poor countries to provide important life-saving services is in danger. In addition, many patients are not able to get the treatments they need for diseases like AIDS, malaria, and tuberculosis. WHO official Timothy Evans says part of the problem is caused by rich nations that offer high-paying jobs to doctors and nurses from poor countries. In addition, Mr. Evans says few trained healthcare professionals are working where they are most needed. Those in poor countries usually work in cities instead of farming areas. The WHO report provides a 10-year plan to deal with the crisis. It calls for national leadership and new policies for health workers. It also urges more international assistance and foreign aid. The report says that nations facing the most serious shortages must increase health care spending. Effective use of public money for health care was also the subject of an international conference this month in Beijing, China. Researchers presented 3 books that describe cost-effective answers to health problems in developing countries. The books recommend simple things. They include speed barriers on roads to help reduce the number of traffic accidents. Another idea is to give aspirin to people to help prevent heart attacks and strokes. The books are designed for policymakers, health program supervisors, and aid groups. The Disease Control Priorities Project published the books. They are free to anyone with a computer. To learn more, visit the project's website at www.dcp2.org. A link is provided at voaspecialenglish.com. This VOA Special English Development Report was written by Jill Moss. I'm Steve Ember.